Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to HubSpot CRM from a spreadsheet. Whether you're migrating from another system or simply adding a batch of new leads, this process will help you get all your contact data into HubSpot quickly and efficiently. First, head over to the HubSpot website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one or start a free trial. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the CRM tools. Before we jump into HubSpot, let's make sure your spreadsheet is ready. Open your CSV or Excel file containing the contacts you want to import. The key here is ensuring the first row contains clear header names that will map to HubSpot properties. Things like first name, last name, email, phone, and company. Take a moment to clean up your data by removing duplicates, fixing typos, and standardizing formats like phone numbers. Once everything looks good, save the file as CSV, XLX, or the older Excel's format. Now back in HubSpot, click the menu in the left navigation and hover over CRM. Click on Contacts and then look to the top right section of your screen where you'll find the Import button. Click it to get started. On the Import page, you'll see two options: import a file or connect an app. Since we're working with a spreadsheet, choose Import a file, then click Import Data, followed by Start Import. HubSpot will ask you what type of data you're importing. You'll see options for customer data like contacts, companies, and deals, as well as activities like calls and meetings. Select Contacts and click Next. The next page asks how you want your contacts to be imported. Choose Create New Contacts Only, then upload your file and click Next. HubSpot will now present you with a mapping screen. This is where you match your spreadsheet columns to HubSpot's contact properties. On the left, you'll see your file's column headers, and on the right, drop-downs for HubSpot properties. Click each drop-down and select the corresponding property, mapping first name to first name, email to email, and so on. If a column doesn't have a matching property, you can skip it or create a custom field if needed. After mapping, review everything carefully to ensure accuracy. You'll also need to choose how HubSpot handles duplicates, whether to update existing contacts, skip them, or import as new records. If you're unsure, select the option that updates only when an email matches an existing contact. When you're ready, click Import or Start Import to begin. HubSpot will process your file, and larger imports may take a few minutes. You can monitor the import status on the Import page or under Notifications. If there are any errors, HubSpot will provide a report showing which rows had issues, allowing you to fix them and re-import. Finally, navigate to Contacts to confirm your new contacts appear with the correct information. Open a few records to verify that all the mapped fields contain the expected values, and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.